Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your TikTok account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by going to your profile page on TikTok. From your profile page, tap on the three dots button in the top right corner to open Settings. In Settings, tap Manage Account. At the bottom of the account management options, there is a button called Delete Account. Tap that. If you're sure you want to delete your account, tap Continue. You will then need to receive a security code either via SMS or email. When you have received the code, enter it here and then tap Delete Account. You will then be logged out of your account and the deactivation of your account will start. It will take 30 days to permanently delete the account. You can cancel the deletion within 30 days by logging in to your account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.